What's the meaning of bowerbird? Bowerbird. Bowerbird.
Bowerbird. Bowerbird. A bowerbird is a type of bird found in Australia and New Guinea that is known for its unique courtship behavior. Male bowerbird build elaborate structures called bowers to attract mates, decorating them with colorful objects like flowers, feathers, and even man-made items like bottle caps and shiny coins. The female bowerbird selects her mate based on the quality of his bower and the objects he has collected to decorate it. Bowerbird are considered to be some of the most intelligent birds in the world, with impressive problem-solving abilities and a keen eye for aesthetics.